Post-production techniques offer 3ds Max artists a broader range of tools that extend the base package and raw renders coming directly out of 3ds Max. These techniques can be useful for anyone creating deliverables around rendered images or animations and can help augment outputs from any available 3ds Max renderer. In addition to several toolsets found inside the base package, every 3ds Max seat now also includes Autodesk Composite. 3ds Max subscription customers will also benefit from the available addition of yet another Autodesk application, Autodesk Match Mover. The integration of real-world footage and CGI renders is a common production requirement. Whether the task is inserting a CG character into a shot, visual effects set extensions, or placing CG architectural structures into actual aerial photography, the combination of computer graphics with reality can call upon several different pipelines and workflows. One native toolkit to 3ds Max used for these purposes is the Mental Ray Production Shader Library. This suite of tools includes special material and environment shaders for camera, reflection, and shadow mapping, as well as tools to illuminate your CG objects using real-world photography and video. Another powerful feature that facilitates many different post-production requirements is the Render Elements dialog found in 3ds Max. In addition to outputting a straight image from the various renderers available, the Render Elements dialog allows users to optionally separate key render passes or layers upon output. Several common options include specular, diffuse, shadows, direct and indirect illumination, and matte render elements. These render elements can be used in image editing programs such as Photoshop, After Effects, Composite, Smoke, and Flame. Various effects can be added in post, which offloads the 3D renderer from tasks such as depth of field and motion blur. One or more matte render elements can be easily generated from within 3ds Max and provide a way for the composite user to easily perform selective effects such as color correction of one or more objects in the 3D render. Autodesk 3ds Max has always kept up with delivering industry standard image file formats including HDR and OpenEXR images in the form of render elements. 3ds Max 2011 now includes the latest implementation of OpenEXR, which allows users to optionally and automatically embed all of the render element passes directly into a single OpenEXR image sequence. This provides users the decision whether or not to render separate, discrete image sequences to disk or include all of these render passes into a single image sequence. Regardless of the user preference, the results can be handed downstream to a paint and compositing application such as Autodesk Composite. This image processing toolset is an exciting new addition now included with every license of 3ds Max. Autodesk Composite is an independent paint and compositing solution for use with 3D compositing, effects, chroma keying, color correction, and more. Autodesk Composite's entire toolset works in high dynamic range without exception, and users can work in either a layer-based compositing paradigm, a node-based schematic, or a simultaneous and integrated hybrid of the two workflows. Some advanced features Composite can take advantage of for enhanced post-production include disk caching for real-time playback of high-resolution assets. Painting tools include gradient edge masking for rotoscoping and digital matte enhancement. The Reaction 3D compositing environment supports the Autodesk Media and Entertainment Exchange file format known as FBX. Reaction also allows multiple cameras to work in 3D space for maintaining an uncompressed, real-time stereoscopic solution. Autodesk Match Mover is a software program that works in tandem with 3ds Max and Autodesk Composite to help integrate footage with CGI rendered animations. Now available as a subscription offering to 3ds Max customers, this standalone application is capable of both automatic and manual camera match moving using footage captured with real-world video and film cameras. After the match move is complete, camera information can be passed across to either 3ds Max or Composite using MaxScript or the FBX file format. From there, the scene can be rebuilt in 3D using polygon modeling and camera projections. An obvious growing trend in the realm of computer graphics is 3D stereoscopic rendering. Customers in the entertainment space for television and feature films can use the same tools to tell a story as an architect or product designer might use to further immerse their audience into an environment for design review. 3ds Max customers now can achieve 3D stereoscopic workflows using a free scripted stereo camera plugin available with the installation bonus files from Autodesk. Another method to obtain the latest version of the stereo camera modifier is online at the Area User Community website. Using easy-to-understand setup attributes and in-viewport guides, a stereoscopic workflow becomes as simple as identifying the target output screen size, average audience viewer distance, and where the near and far focal planes of the stereo effect will occur within the 3ds Max scene. These rendered image sequences can then optionally be reassembled using Autodesk Composite to accommodate several popular stereo deliverable formats. Autodesk Backburner has been included with 3ds Max for many years and can provide the backbone for your Composite and 3ds Max render farm. Free network rendering allows for an ever-growing facility, and render queues increase productivity by leaps and bounds. Clearly, 3ds Max customers are provided a host of tools that are both native to the application as well as newer, ancillary applications that round out the suite. 3ds Max offers a wide range of post-production techniques for users of all skill sets and pipelines ranging from one-man shops and smaller boutiques all the way up to hundreds of artists working together.